In a controversial 6-3 decision, the United States Supreme Court ruled that former presidents are immune from criminal prosecution for their official duties, but not for unofficial acts. Former Deputy Attorney General Thomas Dupree Jr. told CBS News former President Donald Trump and his legal team were pressing for even more immunity.
The Supreme Court did not accept former President Trump's argument that immunity requires the prosecution to be shut down entirely.
Trump is still facing federal charges in Washington, D.C., and state charges in Georgia over allegations that he plotted to overturn the 2020 election results.
There is an enormous amount of legal work that is now going to have to unfold over the next several months. That means the chances of a trial before the election are zero at this point.
If Trump wins the 2024 presidential election, he could pardon himself in the January 6th case, or an attorney general who he appoints could potentially dismiss the charges. Trump, now a convicted felon following a jury unanimously finding him guilty of covering up hush money payments in 2016 over an extramarital affair, went to his own social media site to give his opinion about the judgment. He wrote, "Big win for our Constitution and democracy. Proud to be an American." Trump's lawyers are now asking the New York judge over the most recent criminal case to delay sentencing or throw out the convictions, saying some of the evidence came from Trump's time in the White House and should now be immune from prosecution.
For the things that are just for the president, for those things that are just within the president's ambit, absolute immunity. For official acts in general, at least presumptive immunity.
In Florida, Trump faces more federal charges for allegedly keeping classified documents at Mar-a-Lago after losing the 2020 election. This is Inside Edition Digital.